All right, so you've built multiple tables in Access, and the next step is to connect them so they can talk to each other. And all that really means is once they're connected, you can extract information and ask questions about data stored across both tables. For starters, you want to build a bridge between the tables, and the way you do that is to make sure there is a common field between them. For example, in this case, we have two tables, our customers table and our orders table. And if we take a closer look, the customer ID is on both tables, and this field will act like a bridge between the two. Once that step is complete, the next step is to officially connect the tables. To do this, go up and click where it says Database Tools, then choose Relationships. Then, on the right-hand side, you'll see all the tables in your database, and you'll want to drag them over into the large gray area. The next step is to connect the tables by using the common field between them, and you can do that by doing a click and drag. So in our case, we'll drag the customer ID from the customers table over onto the customer ID on the orders table. Access will then give us a prompt, and it's a good idea to click where it says Enforce Referential Integrity. And in simple terms, all that means is the referential integrity will act like a safety net between your two tables. Now we can click on Create. Next, go up and click on where it says Close, and at the prompt, click Yes, and we're all set. From this point, we can now pull information from both tables using a query. An example is you could now create a list of all your customers and all of their orders. Before you go, by chance you want to learn more about how Access works, there's a quick start tutorial available on the main channel, and you can watch that if you like. If you like this video, please feel free to share it and make sure to follow for more tips.